Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia. Today I have the October Ipsy. I am not super excited about this. I feel like partly it was my fault. I was kind of choosing while I was like multitasking, and I have a really bad habit of skimming things anymore. So I think I made poor choices. Now I kind of have to decide, am I getting the icon box in November? I skipped the last icon box, and from the people I saw unbox, I am very happy I did that. So I kind of have to decide. I do love Ipsy for able to try new things for cheap. Also buy products you love for cheaper. So happy with that. But let's get into the first thing. This is In Beauty Project. I had tried a product from them. I had seen several people like rave about it on YouTube. When I was looking around Sephora, one of the workers was like, oh, that's awesome. Did not work for my skin. But this is a whole different thing. And this is another one. This is the one where I think I didn't read it appropriately. So this is a hydrogel cleanser. I thought it was a hydrating gel. Stop. Because it had a lot of really good ingredients. So this is a $26 cleanser, and it has a ceramide in like the top 5 ingredients-ish. I love ceramides, and so it actually has more than one ceramide. It has alanine, which I absolutely love, really high up. It has cucumber, which I like. Green tea, which I love. So I saw all that, and I thought, well, this is just perfect. I somehow didn't see the cleanser portion. And so, not that actives can't be important in a cleanser, but the cleanser's only on your face for so long. So I don't think, it's not doing wonders per se. This does have a couple vitamin C ingredients. I will give this a try. It also has turmeric. So this is like a star-studded ingredient list. The moisturizer I tried by In Beauty also had a star-studded ingredient list. Just because it has good ingredients doesn't mean your skin's going to like it. So if you guys have been around at all, you guys know I have a holy grail cleanser that nothing has ever beat. And that's Perlise, the Blue Lotus. So this is a plastic container, pump style. Says washes away makeup, dirt, and debris without stripping the skin. Ceramides, 10 amino acids, vegan collagen. I don't know. I'm interested. I will try it. But so far, in all the years of me trying different cleansers, I have not found anything to top my Perlise. I blame myself on this one. I thought this was a hydrating gel, and I was super jazzed because it has tons of good ingredients. Next up, this is another one that I just think I was going too fast. This is Frank Body Smoothing AHA Body Lotion. This is a $22 value. Now, lactic acid, glycolic acid really just turned me red. I thought this was a face thing, and I picked it on purpose because I wanted to try it again. I mean, I follow a dermatologist, quite a few people. It's like, physical exfoliants are pretty much dead. You need to be on chemical exfoliants. And so I thought, hey, I will try this on my face like one more time. Maybe I just need to find the right one. But it's a body lotion, which doesn't mean you couldn't put it on your face. But I do feel like sometimes body lotions don't, they're less good for sensitive skin, I guess is what I'm trying to say. So this has water, capri triglycerides, and then the third ingredient is lactic acid. So the lactic acid is pretty strong. Macadamia seed oil, mango seed butter, grapeseed oil, malic acid. I don't even know what that does. And I don't know, maybe this doesn't have glycolic acid. It says glycolic acid. I don't see glycolic acid. So, oh yeah, it is. So glycolic acid is when it's in the bottom 3. So I don't know. I don't feel like I need I don't feel like I need to exfoliate. I don't know. Again, this is my fault. I thought it was something I could put on my face, and maybe I could try it on my face. I don't want to break out my face though. I don't know. I also don't feel the need to use AHAs on like my arms. So I don't know. Anyway, so this is my fault. Again, I can't decide what I'm going to do. Keeping it, not keeping it, giving it away to somebody. I'm not sure. Again, I sort of blame myself. But I'm going to be honest, my choices this month were just very sparse as far as things I want. It was like eyeliner heavy, blush heavy. I don't wear blush. I don't wear eyeliner. And so if we're going to be honest, I just didn't have many choices. Now, this was something I bought. I love Tatcha. Tatcha's very expensive. And so I got their nighttime cream. It says reducing redness, calms irritation. These used to be $3 and that was a steal, or $3.50. They're $6 now, which I'm not quite sure is as a steal. They look slightly bigger than in the past. I will say this pot will last quite a bit of time. And it's easier to pay $6 and see if you love the Tatcha than spend the $60 on the container. This has really high up Camellia sinensis leaf, which does help calm. Rice ferment, again, pretty high up. Rice is good at calming. Ceramides, which I love ceramides. Sodium hyaluronate, which I really could take or leave. So I'm excited to use this. I do love Tatcha, so very happy to have that. I'm not quite sure I'm sold on the $6 value. They have recently increased that. So we have 3 products left. The one I am most excited about is this guy, Ciate London Glass Skin Tint. I absolutely love trying foundations. And here lately, I feel like I know last month I got a foundation. I feel like they've been doing foundation heavy for me, which I really appreciate. So this is the packaging. It is in 010, which I'm hoping is a neutral light, which tends to be my color. Due to the packaging, I can't read that. I don't even know. I don't think anybody could read that. I don't know what the purpose is of light on light. But anyway, this is the probably the only product that I'm super, super, super excited about. I love trying skin tints and foundations. All right. Dr. Brandt. I don't even know. Anyway, $45. I don't know what I was thinking. I think I knew this was a cleanser and I thought I would try it because there really wasn't much else. So I would never have chose 2 cleansers on purpose. This is a $45 product. Dr. B Lab. I'm not sure why they've kind of repackaged, renamed, whatever. I will say I got their eyebrow growing serum. I think it's the best I've ever used. Absolutely works. They have never been so thick and bushy. In past experience with other like eyebrow growing serums, the effects wear off if you don't use it. But I really am happy with that. So I will probably try this. I don't know. I may try to give it away. For some reason, I don't have an ingredient list. But they have one on the back. It is looking very standard. Like, nothing I recognize except citric acid way at the bottom. Capri triglycerides. And literally nothing else I recognize. So, like, if I was just going based on the 2, $26 value with a stellar ingredient list. $45 with nothing I recognize. Are they the same ounces? I don't see an ounce on this. Sorry, guys. I'm getting a cold. 6.7 ounces, 4.2. Now, that does not mean that this isn't stellar. I just don't recognize any of the ingredients. Water, disodium laurothate, betaine, sodium laurothate, lots of lauroths. I have no idea. No idea. So again, I'm not sure what I'm doing with this. I feel like I could make a gift basket for somebody with the holidays coming up. I don't know. Not sure. Now, the last thing I think I'm excited about. Tovegan? 2 vegan? I'm not sure. 2 vegan makes maybe more sense. Green Glow Up Cream. I'm sorry. $25. And I think the purpose is redness, but I don't know. This packaging doesn't say. So it is a cream. Centella Asiatica is the #1 ingredient, which is absolutely great at calming. And then we have glycerin, which is a really good moisturizer. And then we get into a bunch of things I have no idea. Like, no idea. And then we have Centella Asiatica again, which is funny. So they have it twice. Camellicensis leaf extract, which is green tea, which I love. Then we have kiwi fruit extract. Not sure what it does. The one thing I am skeptical of is peppermint. So, what's that one spray I just tried? It has peppermint. It burns my eyes. Now, this is, of course, a cream that I wouldn't wipe in my eyes. But peppermint is strong. And so, I don't know. Anywho. Oh, gosh. Okay. So, yeah, I can see where this has a lot of Centella Asiatica. It is green and, yes, it is like a kind of gel. So, I am excited about this. I love products like this. Oh, gosh. Yep. It's dripping everywhere. So Centella Asiatica often is like thinner. And I like, oh gosh, now the floor is going to be calm and not red. Oh gosh, that stuff is going everywhere. Anyway, I love a thin kind of slippery, thing like this because it soaks in really quick generally and it looks good. I'm excited about this. I don't know. You win some, you lose some. I kind of feel like this is a mostly a win-ish. I really love these two products. And so this is, let's see, $25 and $32. So I definitely got my value. The two products I really am excited about are over $50 in value. I think we pay $30 now. I don't know about the other stuff. That I will be honest there. I'm scared of the body lotion because I'm afraid it's going to like clog up my face. I'm really excited about this guy because of the ingredients. But I will say again, the other N Beauty product was not a hot. I wanted to love this, I think, but the ingredient list just seems basic. Which might be good. I don't know. So anyway, it's not a bad box. I basically messed up my box, like I said, but there weren't that many good choices. But I am super excited for these. Love, love, love skin tints. And anything that's going to help with redness, I'm a fan. I will say I got some new Korean beauty things and I made like a total beginner's rule or break a rule, I guess. I can't even talk. And I tried too many things at once and my face didn't like something. So I'm red underneath my makeup. So I didn't follow my own skincare advice. So when you're trying new products, one at a time, that way you know what messed up your skin. And so I tried too many things and I'm not sure which one my skin didn't like. Which means now I have to roll back to my tried and true and reintroduce them one at a time, which is obnoxious. So don't be like me and introduce a bunch of new things. So some of these things need to wait because I can't keep adding new upon new upon new. Anywho, I hope you have a great day. I love getting Ipsy, even if sometimes it's like a mixed bag. I think it's fun. And honestly, where can you get 5 full-size products for $30? Nowhere, as far as I know. Unless you're like maybe buying Elf. I don't know. Anyway, have a great day, and I will talk to you soon.